Good morning, student. Hope you all are doing good and hope you all are fine, good, and fit at home. So, today we will discuss our revision 2. So, revision 2, first question, fill in the blanks. As you are aware that your lesson number 1, 2, and 3 are coming in your periodic 1. So, this is our revision 2. We are discussing imaginary vertical lines are called longitudes. The time taken by the earth to move from one longitude to other, 4 minutes. There are dash longitude. How many longitudes we have? 181. 90 in 90 in the northern hemisphere and the 90 in the southern hemisphere. So the latitude and longitude intersect each other, forming a network of line which is called grid. Day and night time are equal throughout the world on 21st of March. Earth experiences 4 main seasons, and that is summer, winter, autumn, and the spring season. And why? How are the season caused? Seasons are caused due to revolution. Now the earth rotates on its axis. During revolution, there are two main important position of the earth. What are the two important position? One is equinox and the second one is solstice. Equinox means equal day and night. Solstice means sun stands still. Japan is called the land rising country. That means because it is located in the eastern part of the world, that's why it is also known as the rising sun or the rising country of the world. This is the part, this is we are talking about the world, but in India, Arunachal Pradesh is known as the sun. Rising sun. Now the last equator. Wait. Equator passes through almost throughout the center of which continent? Africa. And the Tibet is popularly known as the roof of the world. And where it is? It is in Asia continent. Dash is the largest coral reef in the world. Where it is? It is in Australia. And what is coral reef? Coral reef means when the submarine or the aquatic animal dead, their skeleton, and their bones uh, make a solid type of rocks and make a island, or you can say कि जब when the submarines or when the aquatic animals, when the water animals dead, their skeleton, their body जो है वो एक सरफेस पे नीचे की तरफ जो है वो जमना शुरू हो जाती है और एक के ऊपर एक वो जो है एक सॉलिड लेयर बनाना शुरू कर देती है, तो उसको हम बोलते हैं कोरल रीफ इन द वर्ल्ड. Now the next, the large size of land on the surface of the earth are called, as I told you in first video, the large areas of land on the surface of the earth are called continents, or we can say that the different fragments of the large area are all called continent. And dash is the newest addition to the list of oceans. Which is the newest ocean list of the ocean? It is the Southern Ocean. That is, after 2000 we recognize it as a fifth ocean. It is the Southern Ocean. Now the Niagara Falls are in North America. The largest and the deepest ocean is Pacific Ocean, and one Mariana Trench is the deepest part of the Pacific Ocean, and one navigator gave this ocean a name Pacific, which means calm and beautiful. So At last, do your revision work in your SST notebook. अपना सारा काम कंप्लीट करना है आपको, जो अब तक आपको असाइनमेंट वर्कशीट मिले हैं, इवन योर हॉलीडे होमवर्क. कंप्लीट योर वर्क, लर्न एंड रीड योर लेसन. आप अपने लेसन अच्छे से रीड करेंगी, बिकॉज इन प्रीवियस व्हाट्सअप चैट, दैट मीन्स ऑन 15th of the Wednesday, some students are asking about the answer of the back exercise. Back exercise means fill in the blanks, true, false, and all these things. I gave you solved question and answers, but now you are in class 5, you have to read the lesson and then try to find out the answer. If you have any doubt, then I will tell you, but first you try yourself, you read your lesson very well, so that you will able what is the answer, because I know that the all the answers, even question answers, are also very direct and very easy to do. So first you do yourself. If there is doubt, then we will meet in our next session, that means 22nd of July at 4 to 5 p.m. Then you have to ask your doubt, but try to do your back exercises yourself. Even the students are didn't complete their lesson number 1, but now after this video, after this revision work, I will start my 4th chapter. So you just hurry up, complete your work, and you are aware about your syllabus, that lesson number 1, 2 and 3 are coming in your periodic 1, and you will get your examination schedule soon. So read and learn your lesson. So now this is revision 2. Now the revision part is done now. So after this we will start our new chapter, climate. What are the factor affecting of the climate? So okay, now stay happy and healthy. We will meet soon.